The whole reason I wanted to start studying criminal justice and this criminal investigations class is watching a lot of cop shows growing up. This class specifically, he preached a lot about it the last semester, that we're going to be doing a lot of more hands-on things. Hands-on, getting experience doing things sounded a lot of fun to me.
So we're going in to go look at a crime scene. We look at like what's on the floor, like measurements. We take measurements, take photos. We also print, like we get prints from like the crime scenes.
A lot more of actually going through it, like breaking it down bit by bit, from just showing up to the scene and talking to the first responding officers to actually getting in there and marking evidence and taking proper pictures of the scene. I feel like Mr. Boone has done an amazing job preparing us beforehand and going into the investigations. He's done a really good job at letting us know what to be prepared for, and he goes off on a lot of tangents, a lot of personal stories, which I love because it gives you more personal experience. You get an idea of what you're going into.
So you definitely study the class before you come in and be prepared and show up to class. It's a fun class. You do prints, you take photos, you go and look at crime scenes, you get told about crime scenes. It's a very good class to take.